Hey everybody, this is Catrice with Bantu Cola, and you are now dealing with Disrupt Pensacola, guys. Super excited about you being here. I hope that you guys get information. As you can see, we are showcasing businesses now, and I'm really ready to roll and get this up and running. So we've got our second person that we're going to showcase today. Oh my goodness, welcome, 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 Tracy. It is so good to see you.
Thank you. Thank you for having me, Miss Catrice. I really appreciate it. I know you're busy helping out small businesses, and I'm just grateful that you're helping me out as a small business owner, minority business owner. So I'm just humbled and just grateful that you're able to help me out.
I'm glad that I'm able to, and I'm humble that you're allowing me to help you. So I appreciate you. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about Tracy. So give us some information about you. Tell us who you are first, and give us some background about who you are and your background.
Okay. Well, we're gonna start this off like once upon a time there was a little no, we're gonna do it like this. So try to, be a little humorous. But my name is Tracy Holt. Born and raised out of Middle Georgia. If I tell you the area, you're not gonna know it, but I'm gonna say Macon, Georgia area. It's a town of 10,000, the area that I'm from. Born and raised on a farm. We had cows, pigs, chickens. The chickens we were friends with for a very short spell, but you get the rest of it. Grew up playing sports. I mean, that's my background. I played a lot of sports, basketball, football, baseball, soccer. Enjoyed every bit of that time frame. After high school, I joined the world best armed forces, United States Navy. No, nothing against the other branches, but that's what I served, USN. And I did 21 years.
Wow.
And
Retired.
yeah, retired. Yes. I'm gonna tell you right now. I talked to a lot of people, a lot of friends that got out after 4 years, got out after 10 years. And I'm gonna tell you, it's just a blessing to even say that, I retired at the age of, actually I was 41. I retired at 41. And, it's just a blessing. I'm in good health. And my background in the medical field was medical technology. So
Okay.
I was a person behind the scenes doing the test on your blood. So
Oh,
I did that for 19 years of my 21 years. And, I was like, you know what? I'm back in Pensacola. So I'm like, it's time to switch gears and get into something else that I would be passionate about. And the only thing I could think of was, helping families out. I want to help families out like I did help veteran families out. And life insurance it was the crossover for me. I like to be out talking to people, helping people. I treat it like a servant. I treat it like a servant mentality because I'm helping families and making sure that they're protected. So that's a little bit about me.
okay. You gave a lot about you. Okay, so first question, what made you come back to Pensacola?
You know, um, I think the biggest thing that made me come back to Pensacola, I have my mom that's currently here.
Okay.
She's been here for a while, and we were out in California, 29 Palms, California. Google it. It's hot out there. But anyway, I retired, and I was like, where are we going next? We talked about Camp Pendleton area of California, and then I thought about, you know, my mom is 80 years old. My wife's parents and grandparents are getting up in age. So I was like, we're going back to Pensacola, So family is the reason why I came back to Pensacola. And I'm not gonna lie, it's a great reason, and I wouldn't change that decision for the world.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. Okay, so let's switch gears and let's talk a little bit about your business because You have a lot of it sounds like a lot to offer to the community. And you sell life insurance. Is there anything other than life insurance that you sell?
Well, I mean, the life insurance is the umbrella that everything will fall under. We have so many products that you can get that are tailor made for your situation. What I
Mm,
mean by that, if you are a young adult that has a family and you have a mortgage, we have term insurance that can cover you for 30 years, basically matching your mortgage so that if something happened to you, your mortgage is taking care of your wife, your children, don't have to be kicked out of your house or have to worry about, their house being taken. We have whole life insurance, which is a permanent insurance. But the beautiful thing about a whole life insurance, the premiums never go up. And another thing, you can build cash value on the inside of it and be your own bank. Kind of like, Wall Street, Oklahoma, we had our banks there, right? So you
right.
can make your own bank. You can borrow from yourself, interest free, and you don't have to, get yourself in a bind with the creditor by using that whole life to put your money in. We have a new living benefit, which it's twofold. It has a living benefit, like I mentioned, that a lot of people do not know about, and it has a death benefit. Everybody, they know about the death benefit. If I pass away, my money going to my kids. Now, this new living benefit, it allows you to use it while you're alive. So you get to see your roses before you pass. You get to use and reap the benefits of you putting money into a vehicle that will cover Alzheimer's disease, cover chronic illness, critical illness. It will pay out big money so that, while you're living, those expenses are taken care of. And we have annuities as well. Everybody's familiar with annuities. That's going to help to supplement your retirement. 401ks, you're going to have 401k members that may not have anything else to diversify their portfolio. Um, Honestly, for me, when I get 60, I want to have different streams of income coming in because I'm not going to be working like right now. At the age of 40, I'm not going to be turning and burning like I am. So I need to be able to invest early so that in my latter years, I can enjoy my investment in something like an annuity so that I can get paid $7,000 a month. And it depends on how you want to pursue that annuity and how much you want to make. So those are a couple of products that we offer, and we have much more.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, we're going to take a quick break. Hang on, everybody. We'll come right back in a couple of minutes.
Hey, tribe, come join the largest Black business directory on the Gulf Coast. Join Bantu Cola, where we advertise, buy, and advocate for Black businesses. Bantu Cola, be Black, buy Black, think Black.
All right, welcome back, everybody. This is Catrice with Bantu Cola. I hope you enjoyed that commercial we just had. I'm looking forward to you guys actually joining and being a part of Bantu Cola. Guys, I'm telling you, if you are not a part of Bantu Cola right now, you are missing out because this is a great opportunity for us to be able to show where the Black businesses are in here on the Gulf Coast. Okay, we span from Alabama all the way to Panama City, so you want to go ahead and sign up. Okay, be a part of that so that you can get your information out there. All right, so let's go back to talking to Tracy Holt. So when I first met you, I kept calling you Troy, and it was just like so crazy.
No, not Troy. I did meet him though. I did get a chance to meet him. He's a wonderful guy. We had a lot in common, military. We're in the same business, life insurance. So he's a great guy. I met him. So
Absolutely. Well, we're not going to talk about him right now. We're going to talk about you. Okay.
I appreciate it.
Okay. So tell us the name of your company so that people can know who to contact whenever they want to get life insurance.
So the name of my company is North American Senior Benefits. I fall under the umbrella of Ford Financial. I'm sorry. That's an agency that I work for through North American Senior Benefits. That agency is minority owned. That's why, I chose to work with them because what we're trying to do, we're trying to really service the community. We're trying to have more of people of our color coming in and servicing our neighborhoods. Because I understand when I was coming up what a household dynamic was in a minority family. And too often we see scenarios where the person that's coming in doesn't understand the dynamics, doesn't understand the verbiage, doesn't understand the social aspect of, you know, helping somebody out, a family that's a minority. So that's who I work with for Financial, umbrella on the North American Senior Benefits.
Okay, got a question for you. Tell me why it's so important for a person to have life insurance, because it's not stated enough. And I know the reason why, but what do you think the reason is for people? Why do we need to have life insurance?
I think a couple of reasons, to be honest with you, Miss Catrice. One reason.
A little bit. Bring your camera down just a little bit so we can get your whole face.
Oh, bring it down.
Bring it up. Bring it right there. Go for it.
Okay, so there's a couple of reasons, Catrice. One reason is, you know, GoFundMe's and fundraisers. Need I say more? Our community, we've been depending on that for quite some time.
Yes.
And, you know, I think that's, you know, my calling to help people to get things in order to prevent these GoFundMe's. Catrice, I'm gonna be honest with you. We having a lot of violence going on in the community. You having 18-year-old, 19-year-olds that are, you know, taking each other's lives. And it's not like when I was coming up, you 18, you know, you can expect to live a fruitful life, right? You know, but nowadays things have changed. So we have to activate. It's a call to action to activate getting coverage for all of our loved ones, not just for grandma. I mean, grandma needs it, right? But we don't know our time. Our time is really calculated, you know, and we don't know ourselves when we're going to be taken. So GoFundMe's and fundraisers is one reason. Businesses, I help cover and protect businesses. You can get coverage on your business. And guess what? If you leave this earth as a business owner, your staff doesn't have to struggle. The business can continue on. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Yes, it can continue on, which is a big thing for small business owners, because usually small business owners like us, we have the idea, we're working, and we got some employees, and then when we leave this earth, the business just shuts down and the legacy is lost. So I'm here to help companies, small businesses, continue that legacy. Even if you know a relative takes over, they don't have to come in and try to take out $100,000 loan to keep things going. Everything's already in place because you made sure that you spoke to me, Tracy Holt, to help to get that established. We offer mortgage protection. Basically, mortgage protection is you have a home that has a 15, 20-year mortgage. We get coverage for that period to cover your mortgage, because breadwinners, things happen. I know of families that have breadwinners that do truck driving, construction, and those are high risk jobs, right? So you never know if an accident could happen, and next thing you know, the breadwinner had an accident, he's not here, and you lose your house. So college planning, we help families with college planning. You can get your child coverage as early as 14 days old. And the best time to do it is at that age, because it's pennies on top of pennies, Catrice, to get a 14-day-old coverage versus when you're 43 like me and you're beat up and you got all these type of things going on. You don't want to be like me. You want to get that nice and healthy baby covered for as much as you can, so that they can have the opportunity to get and borrow that money for college, for a new car, for a mortgage down payment. That's the power of getting, this coverage so young. It's about legacy, and our products are keeping the legacy going for families.
It's also generating wealth as well. People don't realize that, but whenever you have life insurance, not just life insurance, insurance in general, when you have insurance and it's covering you, that also generates wealth. That's one of the best ways to generate wealth. And
Yes.
so I applaud you for the things that you're doing and how you're sharing and showing people that they can literally be able to protect themselves and their wealth. So
Yeah.
that's a beautiful thing. So, okay. So with that being said, are there any last words that you would like to let people know about your business? And or first of all, where are you located? Where can somebody, how are they able to get in contact with you?
So I'm an independent life insurance agent. So guess what that means? Hey, I don't have a set location that I'm at. We can do business. I can come to your house. We can talk business virtually. Since COVID hit, Catrice, a lot of things are being done virtually. I mean, because COVID showed us the power of technology and how to use it. So most of my clients, I help out virtually because I'm gonna be honest with you, a lot of people don't like you coming in the house, especially with this coronavirus spreading around. I think it's popping its head out again. But
Yeah.
that's how you can reach me. You can call me at 850-449-2070. You can call or text me. I have a website, TracyHoltLifeInsurance.com. You can book an appointment on there as well. And guess what? You can get an opportunity to know a little bit about me as well on that website. So those are two ways you can contact me, Catrice. And like I said, I'm in the local area, Pensacola, but I'm also helping, from Panama all the way over to Mobile, Alabama. On a personal
Okay, so
level.
that's Pensacola. So you have your license in Alabama as well as in Pensacola.
Yeah, I have my license, Catrice, in Georgia, Alabama, Florida, Arizona, Washington State, and Texas. And that is,
Wow. Okay.
yes, that's not slowing down any time soon, Catrice, because families need help, and that's why I'm getting my licenses in every state. Is it a little hard work? Of course it is, but it's worth it because I'm helping families out.
That's wonderful. That is awesome. Woo, you've given me a lot to think about. So you're actually doing the doggone thing. Look at there. So guys,
Yeah.
here's the thing. This gentleman is not just here because he's trying to make money. He's here because he wants to help the community. That's the biggest thing. If you are a business owner, if you are a family member, if you are someone that is by yourself, single, you need life insurance. Life insurance is one of the biggest things that you need to have. So I would strongly suggest talking to Tracy because he has something that he can offer you. He's really personable and very nice. And I've had the pleasure of talking to him privately and personally. And I tell you, he's got a wealth of knowledge and information he can give you. So I'm going to ask you, if you don't know this person, get to know him. He's on Facebook. What's your Facebook page name? Tell him.
Yes, Tracy Holt Life Insurance. And it's Tracy Holt Life Insurance for Financial. Again, Tracy Holt Life Insurance for Financial is where you can find me. I'm the only one connected to Ford Financial.
There you go. So if you guys start, so I typed in his name on 3 different pages because I'm sneaky like that, and I was able to find him on any page that I had. So he's not hard to find. Give them your number one more time so they can know exactly how to get in contact with you. And if you want to give them your email address, that'd be great as well.
Yes, my number is 850-449-2070. And my email is TracyHoltFordFinancial.com. Okay. And you can also reach out to me at TracyHolt398@gmail.com. TracyHolt398@gmail.com.
All right, guys, you heard it here. We want you to go out and support Black businesses. This is one of them. Tracy, thank you so much for your time and being able to do this with us.